Hi, today I'm going to show you how to connect Tabular Editor to Power BI from installation all the way up until use. First thing first, open up Google Chrome or any other browser that you prefer. Search for Tabular Editor. Then you'll probably see this at the top at tabulareditor.com. You might think, hey, this is the one that you want to use. However, if you go here, you'll notice that you can either try Tabular Editor for free or buy it. Tabular Editor 3 is actually the newest version, and unfortunately a paid version of Tabular Editor. But I would say Tabular Editor number 2 is actually totally fine. So go back to your search results, and you'll see there's actually a GitHub page that I also have a link for in the description. That goes to Tabular Editor 2, which is still free. It's open source, so totally safe to use, and it is one of the best tools for Power BI out there. Just click on the download link in the GitHub page, bring you to this page, and you can either download the portable version or the install version. I would highly recommend the install version. Let's start that up. Go through the install steps. It's relatively straightforward. Just click Next, Agree, Next. Choose an install location or choose where you want to install it on your PC. In this case, I'll use the default settings. Click Next, and then after that, you're pretty much done. In my case, I want both of these options, and Next, and Next. Click Yes, and you have Tabular Editor installed. The next thing is to open up Tabular Editor, which you can do by searching in your search bar if you use the same options I have. This is Tabular Editor. Now I want to connect Tabular Editor to Power BI. So I have this beautiful dashboard here with 3 people, John, Marcus, and Peter, and I want to connect that to Tabular Editor to start creating some measures. The way to do that is by clicking File, clicking Open, and then selecting from DB. In this case, you can connect to a local instance, which is the file that I have open, new dashboard. Here you will see all your Power BI dashboard files. You can click on that, click OK. It will load a little bit, and now you're connected to the dashboard. This means that you'll be able to see all the tables that you have loaded. In this case, I only have one, and you can see all the columns in there. Now I'll quickly show you how the Tabular Editor interacts with the Power BI dashboard. I'll quickly move to this side and this to this side so you can kind of see them next to each other. Let's say in Power BI you add a measure. You'll add a measure here, and in this case you want to say, all right, I want to calculate the sum of age, which in this case is the sum of the age column in my data set. Once I click enter and this happens, what you'll see on the left hand side is that this immediately gets added into Tabular Editor on the left hand side. So basically any change that you make in Power BI immediately gets reflected back in Tabular Editor. As an example, if you have one of these two open, and let's say I do +1 here, you'll see that that immediately changes on the left hand side in Tabular Editor too. Now, it doesn't work the other way around. So let's say I want to do the average of age. I can here right click, click create new measure, and then say average of age. And then I say average, and then people age. If I now do this, you'll see this little question mark icon. Doesn't actually mean that it's immediately back in Power BI either. It's actually the nice thing about Tabular Editor is that you can make a lot of changes without constantly updating it. Definitely for larger files, this is super helpful and allows you to quickly duplicate a lot of different measures. If you want to move everything over, you only have to click Save. So in this case, what I'm doing is I'm clicking Control and S on my keyboard, and you see the moment I did that, the question mark disappeared, and now my new measure, which I haven't apparently renamed, let's make that average age, and then save. You'll see that that's changed in here now too. So this is how you connect Tabular Editor to Power BI.